programming course, we learned the Python programming language. With it, we write various commands that are executed in a game like Minecraft. Using these commands, you can create different servers in just a few seconds, or simply create your own world in Minecraft.
I think that with programming, you can make people's lives easier and create entertainment for them. I think programming is necessary for robotics, to program robots. In this lesson, we're trying to create a house. We're building it with a program in just a few seconds. Why spend several hours on that?
In the course, we study the Python programming language, learning it through the game Minecraft. By creating programs in Python, we apply them in the game Minecraft. At the same time, we learn what a server is, what the programming language is, how the game Minecraft works, how programs are created, and how they are developed from the simplest to fairly large projects. The classes are mainly attended by children aged 11 to 12 because to develop in a programming language like Python, a certain level of knowledge is required.
In the future, I will continue doing this simply because I really enjoy it.